Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to take a look at a project that's called IMOUT, a meme coin project that's built on Solana blockchain. A quick disclaimer before you check IMOUT that this is for educational purposes only. I'm a financial advisor and always do no big research before thinking to invest in any crypto project. Without further ado, let's dive right in. So this is a official website and now let me explain you what is actually IMOUT in the first place. So IMOUT is a meme coin that revolves around very simple idea, the behavior of traders. So at some point, almost everyone in crypto says I am out and they leave the market, but eventually they come back. So the project takes the repeating cycle and turns it into the core identity. And instead of focusing on complex technology or utility, I am out focuses on something more psychological, the pattern of living and returning that happens over and over again. So you can see the same cycle that is happening almost every time or for everyone that is in crypto at some point. So IMOUT is not trying to build a massive ecosystem or promise future developments. It describes itself as a meme that captures a feeling every trader has experienced at least once in their, let's say, crypto time that have been into crypto. So there are three main key ideas behind this right now. First one is the shared experience of leaving crypto and coming back. Second one is a strong focus on community, bringing together traders who relate to the cycle that we just talk about right now. And the third one, or the last one, is being built on Solana, so which allows for fast and low cost transactions, which really good thing for anyone who is doing a lot of transactions. So overall the project is centered around reliability and community rather than just a utility. Also need to mention one really important stuff for IMOUT, that they're building an interactive app that users can connect their wallet, complete missions and earn some XP, level up and be part of the gaming ecosystem, which is a really good thing to know. So basically they want to expand it into the full gaming ecosystem that includes skill-based mini games, competitive PvP modes, so players competing against each other using tokens, which is a really good thing for anyone who likes to gaming and want to connect that with crypto, which is really cool stuff to have. Also, there are going to be tournaments and rewards-based competitions, and a system where the token is actually used inside the app, not just held, which is really impressive stuff to see. So that is meaning this website and this right now is just the beginning of the I'm out, and I expect something much bigger with their app. And now let's break down their tokenomics. So IMOUT has a total supply of 1 billion tokens and there is no limit mint function, and meaning the supply is fixed, which is a really good thing to know. So it operates with 0% buy and sell tax, which is really impressive thing to see. And there is no additional transaction fees built into the token, which is really impressive stuff to see again. So the launch was fair with no pre-sale and no team allocations, meaning participants entered under the same conditions, which is really good for anyone. So liquidity is also reported as locked or planned to be burned, which is often used to increase transparency. Also, this should always be verified independently, which is really interesting. And the project also has over 1,000 holders and runs on the Solana blockchain. Right here you can see the precise, they have over 1,200 holders, which is really impressive number right now for the live pre-sale. And there is also a staking feature available, so users can connect wallet like Phantom, Software or Backpack and lock their tokens. So this encourages holding rather than constantly existing positions, which aligns with the project themes of staying in the cycle, which is really what we want to break right now. So right here you can see the 222.88k is liquidity locked on Radium. So you can see also the price right here is a 0.2021180, which is low entry price. Also you can see right now in the last 24 hours you can see jump from the 338%. Also you can see the market cap is over 2 million and volume in the last 24 hours was over 600k. You can see close to 700k, which is really amazing. You can see the ranking position is 6th, which is really impressive thing to see. And also you can see like right on the down liquidity you can see 10.5% is occupied, which is a really cool thing to see. And now let's go through their roadmap, which is divided into 4 main phases. Now let's start with the phase 1, which is called Genesis. So this phase includes the initial launch of the project, the website is going live, and expansion on social media. Also the meme related activities like contests. So you can see after that phase 2, which is mostly made for listings and tools. So in this phase the project focuses on getting listed on platforms like CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, and as well as integrating integrating with tracking tools such as DEX platforms. And now by scrolling down, we can see all the two phases, or let's say phase 3 and 4. So right here you can see the phase 3, which is the currently live phase, and you can see this phase is mostly made for the community expansion. So like I said, this phase introduced merchandise and community related items, including apparel and NFT style badges that represents participation in the project, which really amazing thing to see right now for the phase 3. And you can see last but not least phase 3, which is made for the future direction. So you can see the final phase is not fully defined yet. It may include expansion to the multiple blockchains, but this depends on community growth and overall engagement, which we will see in the future from this moment right now. So the project emphasizes that the progress is driven more by community momentum than strict timelines or promises, which really good stuff to see. Also, that is meaning a lot of things are depending on the community and how the community is growing and what's happening, which really good stuff to see. And it's their guide on how to buy this coin. But again, this is not financial advice, and you need to do your own big research before thinking to invest in anything. But for anyone who done their research and don't know what to do, right here you can see the 4 easy steps how to do it. So first step is to get Solana wallet. So you can see the download Phantom or software, fund it with Solana. We can see second step is to bridge or buy Solana. So you can see use any CX, Binance or Coinbase and swap for Solana. You can see step number 3 which is swap for IMOUT coins. So you can see you can go to the Radium or Jupiter, paste the CA above of that, and you'll have the coin. And we can see last step, or you can see the step number 4 is to hold and spread. So you can see you can join the Telegram, tweet and never say I'm out again, which is really cool stuff to see. And right now we're looking at the Radium, and you can see how to go from Solana to IMOUT. So you need to connect your wallet, and just to put the amount that you want to do, we can see let's say 1 Solana, and we can see the amount that you will get of the IMOUT coins. And also we can see they said Radium said you need at least 0.01 Solana to pay for fees and deposits. So don't forget when someone is doing that the fees are happening. And this is their official Twitter profile, which have over 400 followers, which really amazing number because they just joined on the April of 2026. So that's meaning they're here for just 1 month, or let's say not full month. And you can see for that period right now they made over 140 posts, which really impressive stuff to see. So that is meaning they're really active on social media, which is really important for anything that you want to do right now in this world. So because of that, we're going to drop a follow right now, and by scrolling down we can see what is happening. So their first post is posted 1 hour ago, and we can see they said from day 1 and everything will be transparent and verifiable. So you can see this post right now made over 200 impressions, which is really good because it is meaning people are really interested to see what IMOUT have to offer, which really are impressive thing to see. So because of that, we're going to drop a like right now, and I really recommend you to check their social media. Also you can check their Instagram and Discord, and you can stay updated with everything that is happening because research is the most important thing in crypto space. And this is their Telegram group, which have over 374 subscribers, which really massive number because like we saw they're new right now on every social media and everything. So if you want to stay updated with everything that is happening and to be first to know when something is happening with IMOUT, I highly recommend to check their Telegram group and to see what they have to offer there. So that wraps up our review of IMOUT. If you found this very helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comment section down below. Tell me what you think about their app, about their developing, about their gaming ecosystem that they want to build, and anything else that you want to ask. Stay informed, stay curious, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.